Hey guys, Mark and Caleb here. We're out here today. We're doing a new video. It's Dad versus Caleb. So I've picked the first challenge on this rock here, up and around, and got to climb to the top. And then Caleb will pick challenge number 2. Let's get into it, guys. Trx4 versus SCX10II. I've got the rowdies, Caleb's back on the swampers and beadlocks.
Oh, she's leaning. Oh, ooh. Oh, no, she's. Then she sticks the landing. Oh, nah.
Over again.
This time she doesn't stick to landing. Oh, no. She sticks to landing.
Alright, he's done it. 3 tumbles, wasn't it?
Yep, 3 tumbles.
Caleb's turn. Oh, Axial's doing well here. No tumbles so far. Oh, no way. No way, I've been totally slaughtered in round 1. Rightio, Caleb gets to pick challenge 2. Let's go. Guys, here's challenge 2. This is the one Caleb's picked. He says that we've got to go up there, across there, up through the gully, and we've got to make it all the way to the top of that rock there. Righto, let's see how we go. Oh, no way. That's just not fair. This thing really is a mountain goat. Oh my God. Makes it look easy. Caleb's made it. My turn. Come on, Black Thunder.
Come on.
Let me down.
You can't.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, nah.
Yeah.
It's got it.
We're getting it. We're up there.
That is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was easy. It's got a turn. Oh,
Yeah.
easy. That was easy. Hey guys, Caleb here. We're at challenge number 3 where we're trying to get the cart to go along here, up through here, and around onto those rocks up there. Do you think we can do it? We'll find out. Here we go with this. Oh, not this sliding. Ah, no, he's got it. He's got it.
Oh, look at that driver skill.
Easy.
Oh, now we're about to hit the dip.
Oh, no, 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 no. It's gonna roll. I think it's a bit stuck. Oh, wait, no, we got it unstuck. Whoa.
Yes.
Oh, I'd stop.
Winning.
Yep.
Here we go, Caleb's turn. Oh, oh, he's in trouble already. There could be redemption. Yes!
No.
Yes! I'm only 1 point behind now.
Come on, I got this.
Right, technicality, I'm 2 points behind now. Oh, I think he's got it. Oh, he's not up there yet though. I think he's in trouble. He's in trouble. Oh no, yes!
No!
Redemption! 1 point behind.
No! One last try.
And then we're even if you fail again.
That's good. Time I ain't pulling any punches.
Oh, he's in trouble again. Oh, no way, he's got it, he's got it. Oh, no way.
Victory!
Rightio.
Yeah!
I have to admit defeat. Caleb has beaten me by 1 tumble today.
Yeah!
All right, well done, Caleb. Victory to Caleb. All right, we might go and do a bonus challenge. Let's see.
Alrighty then.
All right, guys. I've challenged Caleb to 1 more because I can't stand losing. So we've got a bonus kind of challenge here. He's got to start there and he's got to be able to climb straight up, all the way up that gully and all the way to the top of that rock up there. Let's see how he goes. Oh, that was a bit easier than what I thought it was going to be. Oh, no way.
Challenge accepted and beaten.
Righto, my turn.
Boys made it up there pretty easily. Nice, easily climbed it.
Easy.
Easy.
Right. I remain 1 point behind going into next round. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching.
See yous.